Alright guys, this is part 2 of the dirt bike build, and I have decided that I am going to just switch the motors and clean the old one later. So I'm gonna get to it. Alright guys, so I have the old motor off right now, and just looking at the frame, I can clearly tell that my wash did nothing. It was completely pointless, and to make matters worse, it was raining on that day, so I could have just left my bike out. But yeah, here's the old motor, and it is still definitely dirty. It is very dirty. So now I will be replacing it with this motor that I bought for my other project, but I am going to just clean this motor when I use it for my other project, and I'll clean the other motor because I actually have 2 frames and now 2 motors that I will be using on my other dirt bike projects. Yeah, so I'm gonna get back to it. Decided to go through and clean up all the dirt that I could, because you know it feels good when you get something dirty yourself. So now I'm just gonna be reassembling it, and I will be testing to see if it works. I'm gonna have to clean the gas tank, because I don't want anything. The gas tank could have been the problem. I didn't even check it out, except when I lit the fire. I just want to make sure that the gas tank is perfectly clean, and the inside of this motor is perfectly clean, or should be, because it's new. So I don't want to dirty it using a bad gas tank, so I'm just going to clean it out. But right now I'm going to be reassembling the bike. I'm going to get the motor on, get the clutch cover back on, get the muffler on, and then I'll do the gas tank, and then I'll put the fairings on. No, those are fairings. It's called a body. Put the body back on, and then I really should know what that's called. The plastics. I'll put the plastics back on, and then we'll go for a ride. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to finish this later. All I have left to do is get the throttle linkage connected, fix the brakes, put the muffler back on, put the plastics back on, clean the gas tank, and then take it first. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. If you didn't, drop a comment and tell me what I can do to make my videos better. That's it. Thanks for watching, and keep grinding.